Hey everybody, thank you for joining me and the sidekicks for another video. Both Zena and Wyatt are here and we are excited because today I have a Rocksbox unboxing for you. So, Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription service. It is a rental subscription service for $21 a month. I love how pretty these boxes are. So you get to get 3 pieces of jewelry in your set as often as you like for $21 a month, and you get to wear the jewelry as long as you like, and then when you're done with it, send it back, or you can keep any of the items and return what you don't want. So for example, if you decide that you want to buy all 3 in your set, you can. You do get a discount for keeping all 3. Your $21 for that month can apply towards what you're keeping, and then you get a new set as soon as you check out. If you return all of it, as soon as they the post office registers that you have returned it, Rocksbox will already be cultivating your next set. So you could get 3 sets in 1 month if you wanted to, if you were that quick with your turnaround. If you wanted to keep all 3 and apply that $21 a month towards each piece, then you could carry that through over 3 months of time. I hope that makes sense. All right, so let's dig into my set. You also get a stylist. You also get to preview your set. You get 24 hours once they curate your set to take a look at it. And if you don't like it, you can swap your pieces. So you're almost always guaranteed to get pieces that you like. So inside the box, you right off the bat get a little pamphlet that has all the items in it that are inside your set. You get a little care card for how to take care of your jewelry. And then inside your bundle are your items. You always get a return label, so you keep everything. Everything that you don't want to keep goes right back inside that box I just opened, and right inside the bag that everything came in, you put that label right on it and put it right back in the mail. Everything comes inside a little jewelry pouch. And let's see. We will go over pricing as I go here. All right, we're going to put it on top of Zena and see if she cares. All right, first item is a ring, and this is called the Rudiment Greenwich ring in silver. The retail price is $60 and the member price is $51. So let me get it out of the bag. And here's what it looks like. So I think that is so pretty. I hope you guys can see it. Let me put this on. Zena's making noise. Sorry about that. So what do you guys think of that? I think that is a very pretty ring. It's delicate, yet pretty. It goes well with my ring I have on beside it. So these would be nice to wear together. All right. And you could also stack it with other rings if you wanted. All right, next up is, oh my, I didn't realize these were this big whenever I saw them. So this is a pair of earrings. These are by Ava Rose. I'm going to take these out before I show these to you. Wait till you see these. These are by Ava Rose. They're called the Chelsea Drop Earrings in Silver. The retail price is also $60. The member price is $51. Check these out. So they do have a little bit of weight to them, but not too badly. I love the detailed cutout, and they have that little bit of shimmer to them. So let's see what these look like on me. If I can get them out of the paper. These would be, on me, I feel like these would be a standout piece. If I wore anything else, it would have to be delicate. What do you guys think of these? So these actually, I want to show you them sideways. Can you see how they have some width to them? So they actually are probably about, what is that, maybe 1/4 of an inch thick. All right, so let me get the other one in for you. What do you think? Are those too big for me, my face? I feel like I don't know. I feel like maybe they might be too big for my face. These would be statement earrings on me, right? All right, let's do the last item. There's one more item here. And this one is by Nakamol. Sounds like whack-a-mole. Nakamol. And this is a bracelet, the beaded leather wrap bracelet in silver and cream. And the retail price is $65 and the member price is $63. So check this out. And maybe if I do put it against the black, you'll be able to see it better. And it has all of this nice beading. And it is a, check out this side, there's more. I hope you guys can see that. And it is a wrap bracelet. So, and then I guess you just, oh, okay. And then you just hook it through these little, right here, onto the little button on the end. All right, so let me see if we can get this on and see what it looks like. Don't want it too tight, right? All right, almost got it. Maybe. All right. I'm going to pause it just so, I think I'm going to have to pause just so I can hook it, but this is what it looks like, which I think is very pretty. But let me hook it for you and then I can give you one more look at it. Okay, I got it on and I hooked it here. Right here is where the hook is. You can see a little bit of where that, where the button is and then where it's hooked. So it wraps the whole way around several times, as many times as you need it to or want it to. And then you have all different kinds of looks and different looks to different types of beading that you can see. What do you guys think of that? I think that's very pretty. And it is adjustable, so I have several different options. I actually picked the very last one to hook it to because I didn't want this little tail to be really long. So I picked the very last one. But you could choose whichever one you wanted. You actually could probably cut these off if you wanted to at each of the ties. I think you could probably do that as well. I like it. So that is all 3 pieces. My ring, these earrings, and the bracelet. These earrings are like wowza. All right, so if I were to keep all 3 of these pieces in this set, it's $165. Then your monthly credit of $21 would come off of that. And you would also get a buy 3 discount of $10. Excuse me. Otherwise, you could just pick one item, send the other 2 back. You could just wear it for as long as you want, send them all back. Or you could buy 1 piece per month if you liked all 3 and drag it out if you wanted to. And then you could apply your $21 a month towards it. So my stylist sent me notes and she said, "Hi Laura, time for a new set from Rocksbox. Have fun with these pieces. Delicate silver filigree. Add something subtle but special to a look. Try these Chelsea drop earrings with a solid colored top to bring the look from plain to polished. A stunning statement addition to a casual look, this Nakamol wrap bracelet is anything but subtle. Scattered crystal baguette stones glitter in the Greenwich ring by Rudiment. Wear it on its own for a minimalist vibe or stack with other rings for a more eclectic look. I'd love to know if this set is a hit or a miss. Enjoy styling. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will put my link down below. If you want to give this a try and you use my link, your first box will be free, so that $21 will be waived for that first month. So, and I will list all of these items down below as well in case you want to check any of them out. On Rocksbox, it is pretty cool. You can set up a wish list, so you can pick these items, put them on your wish list, and then your stylist does know what you like. Zena's pawing at me here. Your stylist will see what kind of jewelry that you like. A lot of times when they curate your set, you will get choices from your wish list as well. So, because if they're available, then they will try to send some of them to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending some time with me and the sidekicks. Wyatt pretty much slept through this whole video, and Zena is getting rowdy as always. So, please consider hitting that like button. We would love it if you would join us for some fun and hit that subscribe button and hang out with us. If you've already subscribed, thank you so very much. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.